Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Super Funny. This is Ishara. If you have been watching me so far, you have already known that I give you 3 brand new videos per week. Every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, I give you 3 videos related to phonics and grammar training for kids. So if you are interested, please do subscribe to this channel, like this video and share with your friends. You know, I'm a huge believer of play-based learning. I believe children learn best when they learn through playing. So if you want to introduce spoken English to your kids and you are looking for some engaging games ideas, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you few excellent game ideas that help the student to speak in English. So watch the video till the end, like this video and don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your community. So let's get started. The first game is sticky notes game. For this, you will need different colors of sticky notes. Here I have 3 colors: light yellow, pink and the deep yellow. If you have more colors, you can put the sticky notes here. Now each sticky notes has one topic in it. Here the topic is written. See here the topic is written. Every sticky note has a topic, but you will not show these topics to the kids. All the topics will be covered by a sticky notes. You can give 3 to 5 different color for sticky notes that has 3 to 5 different topics in it. So what you will do? You will ask a child to choose any color. Suppose the child has chosen the pink color. Then open your sticky notes. So when I open my sticky notes, I got my topic, my mother. Now you have to tell me the 5 sentences about your mother. At least 5. If it is more than 5, that's well and good. So this is the first game that encourage the child to speak in English. They will think about their mother and they will speak at least 5 simple sentences about his or her mother. So for this game, you don't need any fancy things, only a white paper and few sticky notes, and you will write the topics like this. The topic will not be revealed to the child. Once they choose their color, then one by one you can reveal that topic. This sheet you will prepare once, and if it has the 3 to 5 different topics, then you can do this game for 3 to 5 different days. So this is the game 1, which has the sticky note games for spoken English. Next game is again very interesting one. Here we will show a picture to a child, a very simple picture. Here you can see a girl and lot of flowers. So once a child look at the picture, we will ask a child to describe the pictures with the simple sentences. That will encourage them to think in English and describe this whole picture in English. And if you do this game on a daily basis, on a regular basis, surely this will help you to improve their spoken English. So here in this picture, what do you see? See a girl. A girl is looking at the different type of flowers, and this all flowers has their own face, but their face is looking very sad. They are not smiling. So this is how they will think about different type of words to describe one pictures. While you are giving one pictures, just be sure that this picture should not have too many things, because that will distract the child. Focus to a very simple one. You can give any picture. This is a picture from storybook Alice in Wonderland. If you are encouraging them to read the storybooks, then you can use the storybooks. You can use anything, whatever you get, but just one thing keep in mind: it should not have too many things in a picture. That will be very distracting for the child. So this is the game to describe it game for the spoken English. Next game is story making game. Suppose this is you and you will be giving one sentence to your group of students. Suppose you are taking your spoken English class maybe in the virtual mode or maybe in the offline mode, and there are a group of students in your class. Suppose the 3 or more than 3 students. Here I'm assuming you have 3 students. So you are giving one sentence one, and this totally you have to form a story. So sentence 2 will be given by student 1, sentence 2, sentence 3 will be given by student 2, and sentence 4 will be given by student 3. So this way this can go round after round, like first round, second round, and after the 2 round or after the 3 round you have to prepare a story. Let me give you example so you can understand it easily. Suppose you have given the sentence, there was a woodcutter cutting woods in the forest. Now your student 1 will give you the next sentence. They have to use their creative skill. They have to imagine about what could be the next sentence. Suppose your student 1 is giving you the sentence, suddenly the axe has slipped away from his hand and fall into the nearby pond. Then your student 2 is giving you the related sentence. What could be the next sentence to form a story? Maybe your student 2 is giving you the next sentence that the woodcutter was very sad and he started crying. Then your student 3 is giving you the next sentence. Suddenly, the god of water appeared before the woodcutter. And then the next round goes to you. You are giving the next sentence. You also involved in this game, and you are involving your whole class, whole group of students into this. So this way the story will goes and it ends. So every time you have to think about a new sentence that will force you to think in English, that will force you to speak in English, that will force you to use your creative skill. So this is our game number 3, which is story making game for spoken English. The next game is very interesting one. Here you have to prepare the speaking board game. So here the board, you can see this one, you can take the printout if you are taking the offline mode class, and you can show this board game to your students if you are taking the online mode class. So here see the start button is written here, and here my name is. So here you have to complete the sentence. So my name is Ishara. I am maybe this year old. So this way you have to complete this. The beauty of this game is here you are getting a prompt that what you have to talk about, what you have to answer about. So here see the start, you have to start from the 1, then you have to go to the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, like this. Every time you are getting a new questions that you have to answer, and you have to complete the whole board, and after that you will be get your confidence. Hope you have enjoyed this game. I'm very sure when you try this game in your class with your students, they will also enjoy this game. Please try these games and do let me know which one had a blast in your class. Do let me know in the comment box below. If you are teaching grammar along with the phonics, then you will be needing some excellent ideas to teach phonics as well. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how to do phonic games with the kids. So if you are an online educator, watch the virtual games, and if you are an offline phonic educator, watch the fun games videos to get some interesting ideas to introduce phonics to the kids.